Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 28th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the Euro Yen daily time frame, we have a nice little double top right here. We have a nice little push down, but for me to say that this is the end of a wave B and that we're in a several-month downtrend, I need to see a nice solid break below structure on these higher time frames, which is right here. We don't really know yet that this move down is not just a pullback to this last move up and that it's going to make a higher low and push up to a higher Fibonacci retracement level. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I have my Fibonacci retracement only on this from here to here because that's the beginning of an impulsive move. This is the last end of a crescent. So if this move down right here really is a pullback, then it could just be a pullback to this last wave right here. So we are sitting at the 50%, could act as an area of resistance. If it goes up and breaks structure at a Fibonacci level, I would definitely go back to being bullish. If it doesn't break structure at a Fibonacci level and you do trade, the 1 hour time frame and below, then I would be looking for shorts because on the 1 hour, we do have a nice break of structure to the downside. And if it really is a top on the higher time frames, then this could just keep on making lower lows and lower highs. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.